Hello and welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is convert a slides presentation to a video. When you create a Google Slide presentation, you may need to convert it to a video. Videos can be published to sites such as YouTube or turned into online courses. Let's look at how to convert a Google Slide to a video file. Open an existing Google Slide presentation or create a new one. Click on File on the menu bar at the top, select Download, and choose Microsoft PowerPoint as your file type. Name the file and click Save. Open the PowerPoint file, click on File on the ribbon, click Export and choose Create Video. Select the desired quality for your video and click Create Video. Choose the file location for your video and click Export. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.